In the physical body, we are still pure spirit beings, and nothing is beyond our abilities. This is the fact and the truth of our existence. Every human being is an embodiment of infinite intelligence. All it takes to live a purposeful life is to have your ideas define your worth. How do you channel all these spiritual meditation concentrated exercise to the region and to the dimension where people cannot generate? This is what we are teaching people.